What I have here is the Levoit Vital 200S-P air purifier. First couple things. So your filter here, you pull this front cover off. And it just sets off to the side. So you have two internal filters. Your first one is a pre-filter. This one, when it gets dirty, as you can see, there's a little bit of dog hair starting to accumulate, some dust that's coming onto here. This one just pops out. You would vacuum it, wash this off, rinse it out, make sure it's really dry. This one does not get replaced. This is your main filter. This is the one you replace. So this one is good for normal everyday use, about 12 months before you got to replace it. However, the app and the machine will keep track of that, is always monitoring it, and will let you know if it starts to get full. It does have charcoal in it. You can see in the back. You can even hear it. Inside of here is where the actual fan system is at. You just wipe this out when you're ready to swap out the filter. Has instructions, actually says back on it. Says insert with an arrow pointing facing that way. You just slide it in, make sure the pulse tab is facing forward. Easy peasy. Again, this would normally be brand new or you'd clean it off. For right now, I'm just going to put it back on. And it goes this way with the tabs facing outwards, if you can see that. Not inwards, you would think, but they actually go outwards. And then you just put the cover back on. As I mentioned, there is another sensor that is always monitoring, even if you're in standby mode. So while this is working, obviously it's monitoring it. That tells you what the air quality is like. But when you turn it off or it goes into sleep mode or standby mode, there is another little sensor here on the side that you just open up. And right here, you need to clean this out every couple weeks, a month, just a little cotton swab, just cleaning off that sensor there. Nothing really hard to do, very simple and easy to maintain. And you just close it back up. On the back, you just have the plug for it. So this is your power button as well as how you activate the Wi-Fi. So to activate the Wi-Fi, when you set this up, you would hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. The Wi-Fi light would indicate, connects immediately, just follow the steps. It walked me right through connecting up to the system. If you do have an Alexa or something like that, it also walked me right through it. All I did was hit connect to Alexa and it did its own business. So as you're watching here, it's turned off. Alexa, turn on the air purifier. Okay. Now it's blowing air out. Alexa, turn the air fan on to 5. Okay. So it's on full power here. As you can see the fan. If you don't want to use Alexa, obviously you don't need to do that. You can use all the buttons. So you do have a timer here. So you have, you can run it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. You can lock the display button so none of the settings can get changed. You can have a display where you turn off the lights at night. Or it's also got a light activator here. So it'll sense when it gets dark, it will turn down this or dim it. You have a reset filter light is here. Also this as well as your filter indicators up here. But it's also your sleep time, so it will run quieter. And then this is also the auto button you can utilize. We've just pretty much run it. Alexa was actually firstly set up today. But normally we just run it off of the buttons, run it for a couple hours. The color of the ring here also changes as the air quality diminishes. And it's always, like I said, evaluating what is going on with the air quality and let you know kind of what it needs to be. If the air quality was really bad, this would kick up to high and it would really be working hard to get that air quality cleaned up for you. So this in our living room is where we keep the air purifier at. So let's see if you can hear it at 7 feet away. And this would be right on top of it. It's VSync is the app that you're going to download. Again, there's a QR code that you just scan, takes you to download it. Then you connect your device. Right now it's on level 2. Air quality is very good. It has some links you can go to order new filters. The different modes, right now it's in manual. I can go to pet mode. Like I said, it will run in through different speeds of the fan. You can set up a schedule to when it to come on at different times of the day, different times of the night to go quiet. Set your timer. My name is Jared with AJ Reviews. I hope this review of the air purifier has helped you make a decision on purchasing it.